Hey, Eric,
What?
look at me.
Lovely. Here, Heather. Come here. Heather, guess what? Angels. Angels. Pull this down.
Don't eat that snow.
Why?
'Cause I said not to.
I ate snow. Eric, let's do angels. Yeah. A chicken. Ah. It's hard to get through. Ready?
Watch her, Eric.
Alicia. Eric, come here. Where should get under the back? I'll give you a head start. Go. No, I'm going to touch that Dotsie. That Dotsie. That Drake. I can stand up on it. Oh! Heather.
Oh, Heather, don't do that.
Uh,
Wipe it off. Now you're going to have wet cold on his face.
I'm getting in the side of the pool.
You do it, Eric.
I can't. I can't do it. You're slippery. I got this.
Help him, Heather. Put him up on it.
Jump backwards after you get on it. Jump backwards.
Now hold on to your hand. Hold your hands on.
Do this one. Now jump up to Heather. No. You do it, Heather. I'll jump up to Heather. Huh? Okay, do it. Mom, what? Did you see it?
What'd you do?
Clear spot.
Hey, Heather.